This video shows how to buy shares of Genfit on Euronext, ticker GNFT.PA, and gives a brief overview of the company focused on liver disease therapies. This is educational content only and not financial advice. You will need a broker to trade shares. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GNFT.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing that matches the GNFT.PA ticker. On the Genfit asset page, you can read a short company summary and view the price chart. Confirm the listing and ticker match GNFT.PA before proceeding. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After purchase, your Genfit position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.